Hi, Melinda. It's Professor Mulcahy. You had several questions about how to access different items on your Canvas homepage. So I thought I'd do a video for you. Maybe that might help you out. You should go to your student dashboard on Cougar Web, and it should look somewhat similar to this. These are all the classes that I teach right here, but I'm going to click on your class, which is this online approach. So you should have a course shell designated for that class. And I'm going to launch the student view to show what you see. So this is what you should see when you go into Canvas right here. On the right-hand side over here, you can see there are all the to-dos that are for this class and the prospective due date. This might be a setting in Canvas that you don't have activated. So I would call help desk if you don't see this to-do list over here on the right, but it definitely has each assignment, when it's due, and the title of it over here. Another way that you can access what's due is if you go into My Grades, or the grade on the left-hand side there. It should show all the grades, all the assignments, the grades, and the due dates right here. I'm working as the test student, so of course it's going to say I missed all of these assignments, but I want to show you that they're all listed right here with the due dates, so you should know exactly when stuff is due and when it's coming up. Another way for you to know when things are due is if you go into the concourse syllabus. Oh, it's not going to show you here because I'm not an actual student, but in the concourse syllabus at the very end, there is also a calendar that you can use to know when things are due. The other thing that you can do is right here, view course calendar. That might just be easiest. You can click on that and it'll show all the different assignments due for this class and their due dates. So there are many, many ways to access due dates for assignments. Another thing I want to call to your attention is if you go into the modules, obviously I have everything delineated by weeks. So you have the week there, and then on that assignment, let me get to the current week right here. So we are in February 24th through March 1st. There you see there's an assignment that's due, discussion number 5, and it has the due date right there, March 1st. So there's so many different ways to find the due dates. Also, if you click on the week overview, it's going to tell you what we're discussing that week, the materials you're responsible for. And then it also has the assignment. It says submit if there's an assignment that is due. So there's 6 different ways to take a look at how to find things that are due in this class and their due dates. Let me know. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any additional questions, and I'll be happy to assist you with that. You might want to make an appointment if you would like to. I can meet you in my office and go over this with you, or you're welcome to call or go by the student help desk as well too. Okay, thanks, Melinda.